Are these chilies finally starting to change colour? Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Hope you're doing well. Happy Thursday to you all. It is Thursday the 23rd of July 2026 and it's day 158 of the Chilli Grow Up. Now just checking through here, it's about 24-25 degrees at the moment. Just lovely. Bit of a breeze, look, as you can see. So just perfect for the plants. Checking through the soil, it's a little bit dry, but not dry enough to where they need any food or drink today. Tomorrow for sure. So tomorrow we'll be watering and fertilising the plants with liquid seaweed and an organic tomato feed, just to make sure it's got the nutrients it needs. So for today's video, I'm going to have a little look through some of these pods that are already progressing and getting nice and big, and the flowers are changing. And I want to see if some of them are actually starting to change colour, starting to turn, starting to show levels of maturing up, which is exciting times. But yeah, we'll have a quick look through and just see how they're all doing. Other than that, I hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a wonderful Thursday. Me and Lucy are enjoying the sun, aren't we, girl? Hey? Been a very good girl today, haven't you? As always. Yeah, you're a good lass, aren't you? Yes, you. I'm talking about you. You know that. Right. Let's do this. Let's get in today. 158. Madam, a happy Thursday to you. Are you ready for an egg? I think you are. Can I get a ball? There we go. Thank you. Enjoy. So of course, let's start off with the Overwintered Cayenne. I like how it's starting to branch even higher. It's starting to reach out even more. But as you can see, just the whole plant has either got flowers, chilies, or flowers turning into chilies, which is just wonderful stuff. It was so productive last time, and everywhere I look, it's just more and more. There's so many. They are just going crazy. But as you can see, they're all green at the moment, so not ready for picking just yet. You can eat them now, but they are quite grassy and not as spicy. When they're red and mature, they're so much better. So much better. They really are my go-to chilies. I'm sure they are for many of you as well. The cayenne. Let's check in on our ghost peppers. We've got new pods showing here, look. And just move around a little bit. These pods are getting big. Very big indeed. Wonderful stuff. And I'm going to go around and check our second plant. And this is why I wanted to have a video on this, because as you can see, we've got loads down in the back there. They're all coming down. But do you see this one? It's starting to get its red look. It's starting to darken up. Brutal. And then we have another one just in the back there. So we're loaded with peppers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and of course 5. There's a few more coming up on this ghost pepper. Let's see what's new on our Buena Mulata. This is the plant that I picked a couple of chilies from yesterday. They were delicious. I would like to eat more, but we've got to let them grow, haven't we? So we've got some turn in the back. But here they are. Looking great. Lots of flowers coming up soon. Yeah, just that one at the moment. Here we go, it's a better shot. 2 in the back there. Looking good. Give him a bit more time on the Buena Mulata. Checking in on our Poblano. And it looks like, yeah, there we go. It's our first one. Some flowers around. Looking great. Poblano. And here's the sweet banana. This one pepper has been growing so much more. Look at all that there. It's fantastic. It's all growing out in the middle, but yeah, can't wait to try that one. On the sweet banana. Here's another Buena Mulata. Looks like a lot of these are new flowers starting to appear. And we do have one there, look, just starting to finish up, going completely purple. Don't see any others. Looking great. Buena Mulata. Here's our black jalapeno, and over the last few days, look how many new flowers. Just shooting up. So much going on. Now if we check these chilies, look at this. So that one's gotten bigger, but do you see, it's just starting to turn purple, look. Isn't that beautiful? Just starting to get some markings on there. With the flowers too, they are some of the prettiest flowers. Nicer than I believe the Dreamcatcher and the Buena Mulata, they are. Striking. And the bees love them. So, yeah. Exciting stuff on the black jalapeno. Let's have a look at some of the other purple ones. Our Dreamcatcher. Lots of flowers. Look at the flowers, actually just beautiful. Look at that. But no chilies just yet. Our second one, way bigger. But again, not seeing much production. Flowers are coming, but no chilies just yet. Time will tell on the Dreamcatchers. Here's our cayenne in the smaller pot, and as you can see, probably the biggest cayennes are growing. So many, they're absolutely loaded. Look at all these down here. Definitely the most fastest growing in just the small pot. Very strange, isn't it? Beautiful stuff, the small cayenne. So there we go, everybody, just a quick run through everything. I mean, as you can see, everything's looking good as far as I can tell. Flowers, new pods, it's just some of them have started to change. The black jalapeno there, starting to get a bit of marking on it. And then of course this ghost pepper, I really think is going to turn very, very soon. Where are you? Here we go. Can't get over the side, it's just huge, isn't it? It's very, very big. But yeah, we'll give them a bit of time, and then tomorrow all the plants are going to get watered and fertilised, so we'll check for everything a lot more better. It's just right now, the 5-gallon grow bags, they'll be good till tomorrow. Some of the smaller ones here, the smaller merch masalas, they could do with a drink today. They'll definitely need one tomorrow. So we'll just get it all covered tomorrow. So that wraps up the day, everybody. Thank you all so much for joining us. We really appreciate it. It means the world to Lucy and I. Thank you all so much again. All the comments, the emails, the likes, people sharing, remixing. It's just beautiful stuff. Thank you all so much. You take care of yourselves, okay? Make sure you look after me, myself and I, because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Have a wonderful, wonderful Thursday, a great rest of your week, and we'll see you tomorrow. See you Friday. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.